right, good afternoon, everybody. I had an amazing trading day, super excited. We traded Novo Nordisk, which is a Danish company, and this one is producing this weight loss drug called Ozempic.
Andrew here. I am a big fan of Ozempic. 6 months ago, or more than actually 8 months ago, I started taking Ozempic, and I told everyone that this drug changes humanity. It's amazing. I actually used to do it for 3 months. It put me back in shape and low appetite, no junk food. It was so good that even the CEO of Walmart last quarter came in the earning and said that our sales are down because people are taking Ozempic. So this drug is amazing. It's going to change the humanity, and is produced by a company called Novo Nordisk, which is a Danish company. It's in Denmark, and it's now the biggest company in Europe. And today they had the news that they have another drug similar to Ozempic for weight loss that is even more efficient than this category of the drugs. Stock popped up. I traded for a really nice $20,000 profit. It was an amazing, easy opening range breakout, and I want to do the recap on that. And again, I'm not a doctor. I can't tell you if this drug is good for you or not, but I really enjoyed actually trying this drug. Let's see how we traded today in the chat room.
So NVO, and I still actually have 1,500 shares of that. So this is an amazing drug, as I mentioned. I'm taking it and I love it. So we traded for a very nice $17,000 to $20,000 profit, and I still have that. It might gap up tomorrow. I missed actually partialing it. So let's see how we traded that. So at the open, again, when the news was coming out, at the open, it was trading very strongly, about 7-8% on the top, and then established this really nice pre-market level at 134.14, and sold off at the open, and then quickly bounced back from the VWAP. I went long. I was hoping to get to the break of this pre-market high, popped up, it came down. I kind of reduced my share size because I was kind of seeing that this is a little bit of a big size here for me for this loss. Again, I had a little bit of anxiety here for this stop loss, and as soon as it came back up, I added back in there at 133.80, popped up all the way up to 135.40. So we got partial really nice in this opening range breakout on that as well. And then it continued going up. It really nice turned out to be an ABCD pattern for 5-minute opening range breakup. I added back at 135, and it went all the way up to 136.50. And again, I missed partialing toward the 138. I was hoping to get to 139. It did drop that, and I'm actually holding about 1,500 shares, so it might actually go a little bit higher. So as you see, it turned out to be a very nice 5-minute opening range break up as well. So that was amazing. So I really believe, again, I don't know if even YouTube allows me to tell this kind of medicine promotion, but I think this drug is amazing. Nobody dies from pancreas, but a lot of people die from heart attack. A lot of people die from obesity and high sugar, high blood sugar, high cholesterol and stuff. The only, I think, downside that I felt for it when I was there for 3 months was you feel a little bit bloated, because you really keep the food a little bit too, longer into your body, so to reduce the glucose slowly into the body. So I was always feeling a little bit bloated. So NVIDIA is another massive mover. Again, is up another 4%. I think 1,000 is really wants to go to 1,000. So what it did, I traded, it was again gapping up about 2%. I saw that it's really holding this 897. I went long below the VWAP. I usually don't do that, but I really saw that its bids are being asks are being bought at 897. We looked at the bookmap as well. And as soon as it squeeze up, this is a very important squeeze candlestick. So anyone who was kind of short below that has to cover. So this squeeze candlestick was my signal. I went long again at 903 all the way up to 909. It came down, bounced back, and I added more. I was hoping to get another breakout high of the day, and then it did drop and it got stopped me out at the break even. And this is really unfortunate because it did stop me out, came down a little bit, it quickly bounced back. And again, this is an engulfing pattern that I always mention that this engulfing patterns are very powerful. I probably should have long again here. I didn't. I let it go, and as you see here, so the rest is history. It's just now going up toward the 925, which is the all-time high at NVIDIA. So yeah, that's the only 2 trades that I did. NVIDIA and Novo Nordisk was amazing, and I closed my day pretty nicely. I sold some calls on VOO at 80. So, I'm going to sell my VO at 480, so another 2% up because market is really extended. So I sold these calls for the next week at 480, but I still have the position. Like I have right $660,000 unrealized profit right now in these positions. Perfect. Yeah, so that was great. So we had a really, really amazing trading day at the open. I think AMD also gave us some really good volatility. Tesla was amazing. I know Paris did a really nice trade on Tesla. So Tesla did a very, very nice open 1 minute open range breakup. This one I saw that, but I don't know why I didn't take it. So very nice rally from 174 to 180. And then there's something happened in the market that I don't know exactly what was it at around 3 o'clock, but it seems that the market is slowly recovering. All right, guys, thank you so much, and it was amazing. So looking forward, if there's anyone questions, just leave in the YouTube, and happy to get that. If not, tomorrow, man, it's looked like 2021 all over again. This I don't know where this bubble burst, but it's amazing. Bitcoin is also going toward all-time high one more time. It wants to try it one more time. And amazing market, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you really like it, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hopefully to get to 100,000 subscribers.